ColourPop sent me the Lilo and Stitch collection. Let's unbox it. Stitch mom shirt on. My son loves it. He actually watched it at school today for his last day of school. When you see this in your mailbox, you get excited. But anyway, we actually did a Stitch birthday party for his last birthday. So I already had the shirt like ready to go. And then my daughter just had her recital this weekend. I'm just taking all this stuff off. And her tap routine was to guess what? The Lilo and Stitch song. And she had a little hula skirt on. It was presh. I'll insert a photo. Presh. Okay, let's look at this collection. So obviously there's a palette, eyeshadow palette, Ultra Glossy Lip, Shadow Stick Duo, Super Shock Highlighter, Instant Crush, Cream Blush. That's the color changing one. And then that Super Shock Highlighter, it's a tie-dye finish. Super fun. So we've got, you know, the new movies coming out. ColourPop always does so good with the packaging, just the theme, all of the things. I mean, it's just always top notch. So well done. Oh, Beach Dreamin'. Ooh, I love these purples. Clearly, purple's my color. Look at that. Oh, I love. Look at that. That one. Hi. When that's a nice green. This looks fun. This guy right here in the middle, it's kind of a color changing. I'm not sure if the camera picks that up. If I can attach any of the stuff to the video, I know ColourPop is doing like a super brand day thing, so they probably have some good sales. I know they've been on live, like doing some giveaways and all kinds of fun stuff, so you might want to check that out. Look at that. How cute. 3, 4, 12 shades, 6 shimmers. Ohana Super Shock Highlighter. This is bigger than I thought. Ooh, how pretty that is. It's like, that's the tie-dye finish they were talking about. Really cute. Ooh, I like that. I mean, let's just get that on right now. Hello. Is this better with my finger? I don't know.
I'm going to start loading, okay?
Okay. This is fun because it's got a little bit of blue, a little bit of purple. Not all just one color. Oh, I like that. Then these are super cute. There's 3 little gloss, ultra glossy lip. Look at how precious. They look like popsicles or something. I mean, stop. How cute. Oh, these are such fun colors. I clearly want to go for the hot pink. How do you open it? I don't know. What do you do? Oh, here we go. You just turn that thing. Ah, I purposely did not put a lip on so that I could try something on. Ooh, oh God, it smells good. Oh, that smells good. It's like Tahitian something. I don't know. That is so pretty. Experiment 626, super sweet, and surfer vibes. Finally, no, not finally, just kidding. 2 more things. We've got the color changing. What is this? A blush? Ah, it's blue. What do you do? Oh, I just rubbed it. That is so fun. It's very light. You know, you can use it like cheek or lip, I think. It's infused with some kind of butter. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see it. Cup of coo, shea butter, fruit complex. Tap and blend onto cheeks. Cream blush. Now, finally, the eyeshadow sticks. Duo. I love their eyeshadow sticks. I have one here from the Twilight collection. They're very good. I use them a lot. Ooh, alien vibes, and he's all yours. Look how fun. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do that right now. These are fun for like inner corner, or you can just kind of draw it on, give yourself like a little fun color, little pop of color. I'm just putting it on right now. Whatevs. Ooh, that blue one is fun. Don't be scared of the colors, you guys. I'm 49 years old. I still do color. Just easy peasy. I can hear my daughter crying in the other room. I'll get a little hit of this one, just to help blend it in a little bit. Oh, that is so cute. Anyways, check it out, you guys. Such a fun collection. Thank you so much, ColourPop. I got to figure out what kind of look we're going to do. I don't even know. I don't even know what kind of look. Here we go. Yay! There's the collection. Thank you, ColourPop. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Amber Wood, over 40 makeup mom. Make sure to follow for more. Thanks for watching. Ohana means family. So let's be family. Okay, bye.